Hello mobile fans, happy day to you. Over a month ago, I made a video showing you the specifications, design and price of the Infinix Hot 7. The video got over 61,000 views and over 500 likes. And I want to say a big thank you to all of you that watched and liked the video and also subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate your encouraging comments and support for this channel. Many of you were disappointed with the specifications of the Infinix Hot 7. But based on this poll where I asked you to share your opinion on the Infinix mobile brand value for money strategy in 2019 so far, most of you chose good, which means some of you are happy with the specifications and prices of the Infinix 06 and Hot 7 smartphones. I mentioned in my previous video on the Hot 7 that Infinix may surprise us with a Pro version of the Hot 7, and I was surprised when I saw the Hot 7 Pro box online and want to share with you what to expect, but I don't yet have the full specifications. But as soon as I have the full specifications, I will share with you so that you can decide whether you should buy the Hot 7 Pro. Everything I know about the Hot 7 Pro is based on this box, and so we will be analyzing this box to bring out the expected specifications of the Hot 7 Pro. Staring at a glance, you will know that the Hot 7 Pro has a notch display. Also, comparing the Hot 7 box with the Hot 7 Pro box, you will notice that the design of both smartphones are quite different. When you look closely, you will notice the Hot 7 Pro has antenna lines across the top and bottom at the back, which was not present in the Hot 7, and this makes me feel the Hot 7 Pro might have a metal back case. The camera position is still the same as the Hot 7. It has dual cameras and a dual LED flash, but now in a red ring. I believe the camera specification should be the same with the Hot 7, that is, a 13 megapixel main sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. We can also see the fingerprint scanner and the Infinix logo. Moving to the bottom right corner of the box, you will see written AI quad lens, which tells us that the Infinix Hot 7 Pro will be the first Infinix smartphone to have 4 cameras, that is 2 at the back and also 2 at the front. This should excite the Infinix fans because Infinix is stepping up their game. Moving back to the top notch, if you look carefully, you will see 2 selfie cameras, which I think should be a 8 megapixel main sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensing. The 2 selfie cameras will allow you to take much better portrait or bokeh effect photos. Because of the second selfie camera in the notch, there is no space to fix the top speaker or earpiece, so Infinix has moved it above the notch, which looks cool. And this also makes the notch smaller in size because it now houses lesser components. The screen size should remain the same 6.2 inches HD plus 1500 by 720p full view display, but the RAM is now upgraded to 3GB while the internal memory still remains at the 2GB size. And that big addition is the 4G LTE network. I'm guessing that the processor might still be the same old MediaTek 6580 quad-core CPU, but I hope Infinix surprises us with a higher Snapdragon 425 or the MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor at least, just like the Hot 6 Pro. It should have the same 4000 mAh battery and triple slot SIM plus dedicated SD card slot. I don't think it will come with the Android Pie. The Hot 7 Pro also brings the red color design into the Hot 7 series and it looks elegant. In summary, here are the specifications of the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. The white characters represent the specs that I am sure is correct, while the red characters represent my guesses or expectations. I will be making a part 2 of this video to share with you the full official specifications when it launches at the end of this month or early next month. So kindly subscribe and turn notifications on to be the first to see the part 2 video. Some of you that were disappointed with the Hot 7 might be less disappointed with the exciting Hot 7 Pro. I hope Infinix does not put a very high price tag on the Hot 7 Pro like they are doing with the Hot 7, because the smartphone competition is getting high and the smartphone with the best value of money wins. In conclusion, the Hot 7 Pro is an elegant quad or 4-lens camera smartphone, and I think it should be a worthy upgrade from the Hot 6 Pro. Let me know how you feel about the upcoming Infinix Hot 7 Pro smartphone. Are you excited for it? Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, remain humble, and bye.